3.7, number 271. We have the function x minus 2 on x. X minus 2 on x. X is required to be less than 0. And a equals 1. And we're supposed to find f inverse prime at a. All right, so we know the formula. F inverse prime at a is the reciprocal of f prime f inverse at a. So we just need to find these pieces. We need to find what f inverse of a is, and we need to find f prime. Right? Those two pieces together will give us the answer to the original problem. So f prime of x should be, again, if I view this as 2x to the negative first, so the derivative of the first term is just 1, and the derivative of the second term, negative 1 will come down, so we'll get negative 2x to the negative 2. Combined with this negative will be plus 2x to the negative 2, but I want to rewrite that as 2 on x squared. All right, so there is our derivative. And that is what's going to go in this denominator, but I need to fill in the x value here with f inverse of a. So I have to find f inverse of a. If f inverse of a is some number x, for instance, then that would imply that f of x is a, because you need to switch coordinates when you're dealing with a function and its inverse. So therefore, I'm really setting f of x, which is x minus 2 on x, equal to the a value of 1, is what they have suggested here. So if we solve this, we will get the value we need. So multiplying everything through by x ends up being x squared minus 2x. Sorry, not minus 2x, minus 2 equals 2x, equals 1x, equals 1x. All right, so now if we subtract 1x from both sides, we will get x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Solving this gives us x minus 2 x plus 1, which gives us two solutions, of course, x equals 2 or negative 1. And here's where that condition at the beginning comes in. They said that x had to be less than 0. X has to be negative. So we have to choose the negative result down here, which is the negative 1 to work with. We cannot use the 2, it would not be correct for this particular problem. So now we take the negative 1 value, which is the f inverse of a value, right? The x we just solved for is f inverse of a, so we use negative 1. So now we can fill in back here this rule, this formula, 1 over f prime with f inverse a in it. So 1 plus 2 over negative 1 quantity squared. Again, the derivative with this value plugged in is the denominator. So we have that. So 2 divided by 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and we get a third.